So that's a great big black walnut tree. It's just lost a limb. You can see it right there in a windy episode over the weekend. Dumped a big branch down here. You can see all the walnuts there, but I just wanted to show you the wood. Hopefully it's not showing up as dark as it should, but that's... See if I can change the angle here. There you go. Isn't that something? Got a couple of little chunks I'm going to do something with. I'll probably do a little bit with those as well. Just thought I'd show you.